everyone, this is Kang with a different set of gadgets and gizmos brought to you by Sudio. We will be discussing more and more Sudio products as we go along, and I'll be giving you insights about what to expect from their product lineup along with a short overview of what it has to offer. Sudio T2 launched last September 17, 2021 with a refreshing design as well as unique colors, a new type of fit, and technology. The case is straightforward and simple with the company's branding right in front. Right under the logo is a single LED battery indicator illuminating the different levels of power left. 25% reflecting that the case has over 25% battery, and orange when it is low. Same indicator can be seen on each of the earbuds. For charging, there is a USB-C port available in the right side of the case, and at the bottom is the factory reset button. The plastic case has a sturdy feel and can easily be opened and closed using one hand. Unlike most of the earbuds I've unboxed, the Sudio T2 has wingtips instead of ear tips. These comes in 4 different sizes to fit the shape of the ear comfortably. The wingtips are made in such a way that they mitigate a loose fit that some earbuds feel while still being securely placed, even while jumping around or during workout sessions. Additionally, the IPX4 rating helps with splash, rain, and sweat. With Sudio's feed-forward technology, it analyzes ambient sound and generates anti-frequencies before even reaching the ears, giving 2 levels of noise cancellation to experiment with. Beam-forming microphones means that there is a microphone array in each earbud, one pointing outward while the other is aimed towards the user's mouth. This gives both voice and ambient sound simultaneous capture. Moving over the controls for every 2 seconds, each earbud is touched to hold. Hearing chime means everything is off, swooshing sound to activate ANC, and a ding-dong means environmental sound is boosted. And lastly, the Sudio T2 comes with adaptive dual microphones that supposedly filter out unwanted background noises while on a call. The retail price of this Sudio T2 is at $6,500, but a 15% discount is applicable on their website. Just use the code T2 Kang Dupet upon purchase, which is valid from September 17 up to 30th of October 2021. So if you want to know more about this product, do check out www.kangdupet.com. Again, this is Kang, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!